Hello guys, just I'm going to quote that 4 P's in front of you which are going to be mostly beneficial for the development of English fluency. So don't move anywhere. Just we are going to discuss a very important 4 P's which can transform you, my dear friends. I am Professor DHANAJI Arya. Welcome all of you on Professor DHANAJI Arya English Dias. My dear friends, today we are going to discuss about how to develop our English fluency with 4 P's. Yes, with 4 P's. My dear friends, the very first and the prominent and very important thing which is always required whenever you want to develop any kind of the skill, and that is preparation. Without preparation, definitely we cannot daydream about the excellence in any skill, my dear friend. So start preparation, start learning, start preparing the sentences, start speaking simple sentences in your day-to-day communication. So my dear friends, my message to all of you, start preparing, listen more, listen the rules and the regulations, apply those rules and the regulations in day-to-day communication. Commit the mistakes, and if you commit the mistakes and keep preparing, I'm sure nobody gonna stop you from the improvement, my dear friends. So don't you feel that preparation is the most important factor in the development of any kind of the skill, and this is the skill of speaking, my dear friends. Without preparation, it is not at all possible to speak or to stand in front of the people or to speak English fluently. Agree? Yes, you must be agree with me regarding the preparation, my dear friends. And yes, once you start that preparation, you have to keep it in practice. Do that practice every day. Be consistent in that practice, my dear friends, and I'm sure the practice will really take you up to the peak of that skill. The practice will lead you towards the perfection, my dear friends, and you people are well acquainted with practice makes man perfect. These kind of the quotes are not only just written in the books, but we have to apply in our day-to-day practice, my dear friends. And after the practice, how to execute that practice? What are the channels for that practice? There are different ones. In our day-to-day life, we can practice with our friends. In our day-to-day life, we can practice in our day-to-day situations. And now, everybody has the mobile in his hand. And most of the time, we people waste, or most of the time, we people spend on what? On that social media, Facebook, Insta, or that the YouTube, or that means that the Twitter and all. What we do there, just we post the photographs, we like and just congratulate to somebody. We really miss that they give the comment. My dear friends, don't use artificial Facebook generated comments. Write your own comments. Don't worry about the mistakes, but post your own thoughts on social media. Write on the current affairs. Write on somebody's whatever the move is going on, what he is doing, in what way he has posted the picture. Just don't hit only the like button or use that artificial comment, but just express your own thoughts in your own words. Don't forget to do that. And if you really do it, I'm sure gradually we can develop, we can have that the proficiency in writing, we can have that the proficiency in speaking to, record your own videos and post it on that certain media and get the comments, get the criticism, get the appreciation from your friends, and give them the feedback, give them the whatever you say that the answers, you know, that give the reply to those comments, write answers to those comments. I'm sure you are going to be the really used to with this process, and this part is going to be the real day-to-day part, and this will lead you towards the perfection. Do you like this, or really convinced? Yes, you must be convinced, and that the preparation, practice, and posting your thoughts, posting your videos, posting your certain post on that the different medias, I'm sure it may help you to develop all of you in your any sort of that the skill, and especially in this speaking skill or that English fluency, my dear friends. And yes, these 3 P's, if you keep persistent, let me repeat, these 3 P's, if you convert in one more P, that is a persistent, I'm sure you are going to be unstoppable. Nobody will stop you. You are going to be at the peak, or you are going to be really very successful in what you are trying out. My dear friends, if you really work persistently over here, I'm sure you are going to develop and you are going to reach where you wish, my dear friends. So once again, just I'm going to keep in front of you, these 4 P's are going to be very essential, very important one, and very helpful in your development. Number 1, that is a practice. Number 1, that is a preparation. Number 2, that is a practice. Number 3, that is a posting your thoughts on the different social media. And really, if you maintain these 3 P's in one last P, that is a persistent efforts and persistent doing, that, I'm sure you are gonna unstoppable, my dear friends. So once again, just follow these 4 P's and just get a fluent in English language, my dear friends. So once again, thanks a lot for patient listening, and I'm sure you will be persistent in the practice and the preparation and that posting your thoughts. I'm waiting for your efforts, my dear friends. Thanks a lot for patient listening. Thank you.